It's another wig review. Are you liking my videos and are you subscribed? Because if you're not, then why not? Please don't forget to do so. On to our review for today. It is another Feme wig review, and this time it's on the Bombshell Bounce. So let's get right into it. So we have all the usuals: a wig cap inside, the stock card with care instructions, and this is what the stock card looks like. The colour I have is T1B dark blue, and this is it straight out of the packet. Some of the wigs from the Feme collection use more of the old style cap constructions as opposed to the new lace parts, so something to bear in mind. It is a full cap wig, a traditional cap construction with 1, 2, 3 combs and the drawstring. It is a skin top part, so not a lot you can do with plucking and tweezing there. Next order of business, shedding. Very good. There isn't a lot of friction, so I'm unlikely to get lots of tangling with this wig. Let's get her on. Again, like the other wigs, this is definitely made more for a medium size head than a large size head, because I can feel it. It's quite snug, but it's not squeezing my brains out. I love the way this wig lays. It's so sleek to your head. Here is it with all the hair at the front. This colour is interesting. It's a full cap wig construction. Again, if it's your thing, you buy it. If it's not your thing, don't buy it. Naught else to say on this wig.